How to install and use Google Play Store on Roku.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to install and use the Google Play Store on Roku. This can greatly expand your content options by providing access to Google Play's vast library of applications and games. Unfortunately, due to some platform limitations, this process is not as straightforward as we might wish, so let's get started.
What's the initial requirement?
Before we start, it's important to understand that directly installing Google Play Store on Roku is not supported because Roku operates its own app store called the Roku Channel Store. Google Play Store is designed for devices running the Android operating system, and Roku is based on a different platform. However, there's a workaround that can still let you enjoy Google Play content. The solution lies in casting or screen mirroring your Android device screen to your Roku.
How to enable screen mirroring on Roku.
The first step to cast Google Play content on Roku is to enable screen mirroring. This option is usually turned off by default. Here's how you can turn it on. 1. On your Roku remote, press the Home button. 2. Navigate to Settings. 3. Scroll down and select System. 4. From the System menu, choose Screen Mirroring. 5. Then select Screen Mirroring Mode. 6. Finally, choose Prompt or Always Allow to enable screen mirroring. Remember, your Roku and Android device should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for screen mirroring to work.
How to cast Google Play Store from Android to Roku.
Now that you have screen mirroring enabled on your Roku, it's time to cast your Android screen. Here's how. 1. On your Android device, go to Settings. 2. Find and select Display. 3. Scroll down to find Cast or Wireless Display option. This can vary based on the device manufacturer. 4. Tap on it, and it will start searching for devices. 5. From the list of devices, choose your Roku device. Now, your Android device screen should be mirrored on your TV screen. You can open Google Play Store on your Android device, navigate through it, and the same will be reflected on your TV screen. And there you have it. While you can't directly install the Google Play Store on Roku, you can certainly cast your Android device's screen to your Roku and explore Google Play Store that way. This workaround broadens your entertainment options significantly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy streaming!